So this one's gonna be on Surfshark VPN, and went ahead and signed up for the special that they had, which is actually it's what was it, 20, it's for 27 months, and I paid like 50 including taxes. It came out to like $50, so that's a great deal. So it's actually very simple to use, very simple to install, and it actually works great. I thought it was I was gonna test it out first, but then I just went ahead and got it because it's not that bad. And as far as the price and as far as the speed goes, I've tested out already like Germany, France, and a couple other countries, and they all seem to run pretty fast, and they seem to work great. So like right now, if I go to what is my IP address, I'm under Montreal, and if I go to the test speed, we'll go ahead and check it out. So by I say like the average, like the fastest ones are like Canada and the United States. I'm located in the United States, but it averages about like 20, anywhere from 25 as far as for the download speed, from like 25 I would say to possibly like the fastest one somewhere around 30, or maybe a little bit more than that. But as you see, the download speed 29.87, and then the upload speed at 1054. So that's pretty good. Actually, I think that's better than my actual internet speed. So in the one in Germany, I think it was like 26 maybe, and the upload speed was like 8 something. So it's not that much. So, and they seem to run really well. It's very simple to set up. Like if you wanna do smart DNS, the only thing about smart DNS is you want to make sure that when you do the smart DNS, you turn off your VPN first, and then turn on smart DNS, and then go ahead and start your VPN. To the settings, you can just go over here at the bottom and go through all the settings. Very simple to set up. I'll go ahead and make a video as far as on how to be able to set it up, but I actually signed up. Let me see if it's, I think it shows in here. Yeah, I got the 24 months plus 3 months free, and it only came out like to $50 including the taxes, so that's pretty awesome. So now I've got a VPN for over 2 years. It's working great. It's very simple to set up, and it's running pretty fast. So I just wanted to share this in case you were wondering about it. So that's it for now. Bye.